We also have some allied organizations that are members of NEW. One is the International Code Council Evaluation Services. We signed an agreement with them on July 19th. And then we also signed an agreement with FISM, back in Miami in June of this year. Now, NEW is also sending out RFPs. So again, if you're working in the area of sustainable concrete construction, just make sure you go to the NEW website and see if there's something that you can contribute to. All right. And in addition with that, they're also doing, webinars, and these are free webinars. You can just register and participate in those webinars. NEW has also been accepted into the NIST Low Carbon Cement Concrete Consortium. So this is a consortium that has been set up in the US to help evaluate the sustainability of current ASTM standards to measure carbon. And then you see here the need for validation. And part of the mission of this consortium will be, if needed, to develop new tests to help enable the acceptance of the new materials that will be coming into the marketplace. So I'm going to finish up and talk about construction labor productivity. And in the United States, as you can see from this study that was done by McKinsey, the United States is a declining leader when it comes to construction labor productivity. I'm not quite sure where Brazil is. Brazil is also a laggard, as you can see right there. And McKinsey pretty much believes that if the construction industry does these 7 things, we'll be able to boost productivity by about 50 to 60% And that involves rethinking design and engineering processes, improving on-site execution, infusing digital technology, new materials, and advanced automation into concrete construction, and then also rescaling the workforce. So with that, I would like to announce that ACI is going to form a new Center of Excellence, and it's going to be the Center of Excellence on construction productivity. It was approved by the board just about a month ago, and hopefully by the end of the year, we should have it all incorporated. We're still thinking of a name for this Center of Excellence. We have NEW, we have NEXT, we have NEW, and we're thinking we're going to call this one NOW. So that will be it. So with that, this is, I think, my last slide. I talked about, METES project. This is a roof of the ACI headquarters, and we do have solar panels on the roof. Now, on this day, June 21st of this year, 2:45, the solar panels were essentially cranking up quite a bit of energy, and this is ACI's way of also trying to reduce our carbon footprint, So with that, I would like to say thank you very much, and once again, congratulations.
Muito obrigado, professor Charles Niemeyer. Vamos abrir a 1 ou 2 perguntas devido ao nosso tempo. Alguém gostaria de fazer alguma pergunta da plateia? Se ninguém fizer, eu faço. Professor Enio, vou dar meu microfone para o senhor.
Em primeiro lugar, professor Dr. Charles Niemeyer, parabéns pela excelente apresentação. Tu apresentaste um gráfico comparando o desempenho de alguns tipos de cimento frente aos cloretos. E aquele concreto que tinha fly ash tinha um desempenho melhor que o cimento ordinário, Portland Cement, o cimento comum. Isso seria devido à ação física ou ação química? Lembrando que quando nós tiramos clinker e colocamos uma adição que tem menos C3A ficaria menos resistente. Então, nós estaríamos falando de uma ação física ou de uma ação química?
Yeah, thanks for the question. If I understand it correctly, it's the benefit of fly ash. Well, fly ash is a pozzolan, so it does have SiO2, very much similar to silica fume and ground glass and so on. And as a result of that, you do have a chemical reaction that takes place between the SiO2 in the fly ash and the calcium hydroxide, which is a byproduct of the cement hydration process. And that leads to the formation of more calcium silicate hydrate gel. So you actually get a densification and a lowering of the permeability of the concrete. That's where the benefit comes from. So it's not particle filling, per se. It's more of the reaction between the SiO2 in the fly ash, similar to the reaction between SiO2 in silica fume with the calcium hydroxide, which is a byproduct of the hydration process. Yeah.
Bom, infelizmente, pelo prazo que a gente tem, só vou abrir para uma pergunta. Vou dar mais um recado, que às 10 horas agora está acontecendo o lançamento do livro Concreto, Ciência e Tecnologia no estande do IBRACON, recado dado pelo professor Guilherme. Professor Dr. Charles de Maia, agradeço demasiadamente a sua presença aqui e a todos. Um bom dia a todos, um bom dia ao senhor e uma salva de palmas ao professor.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.